preliminary searching in the research process. When you have decided on a topic, the next step is to check library resources and make sure there's just the right amount of information on your topic. This process will also include learning a bit more about your subject. Start your preliminary search with one of the reference databases or a more general database, such as Academic Search Premier, which provides information on a large number of topics. As you are looking over the available information, identify the key topics, write down keywords and synonyms to use later with in-depth research. Finding topic summaries or review articles at this stage can also be very helpful. Finally, ask yourself if at least 2 to 5 credible sources are available. That number will at least double with in-depth research, resulting in enough information for your paper or project. After a preliminary search, you must determine one of 3 things. Is there too little information, too much information, or just enough information as required by the assignment? If there is too little or too much, the topic will need adjusting. For additional help, please contact your HGTC librarian. And thanks for watching!